Why is it so? Look at Trey busy eating his stuff. What you hit me for? Trey said she came and pick my baby. Beat up Freddy. Beat him up. DJ, come say hi to the people. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
How are your day?
How you do that?
So how you do that?
How do that?
How you do that?
How you do that?
Say how you do that?
How you do that?
Say some words.
No.
What you gonna say? Say Freddy. Say Freddy is a mean boy. Well, that's the end of our clip. Hey, say sorry in the camera.
Sorry.
Say sorry for hitting you.
Sorry. Hearing you, baby.
To everybody that don't know Freddy, this is wait. This is Freddy. This is the one who been picking DJ the whole Detroit ride. Now DJ owe him a butt whooping. So Freddy, what do you have to say for yourself?
Well, DJ's been mean to me, and you know, it's been hard times. So, DJ, he beat me up on the wall. He tried to kill me. No. So you better ask DJ to leave me alone, please.
DJ, what do you have to say?
DJ, I'm gonna get you. Oh shit, man.